Alright guys, it's your boy Jude Banky, the foodie boy. Okay, so we are back again with another banger stroke banger soup. So you get the point now. So today we say make we eat banger soup. As you dey see for your screen, this soup not be here, not be here. So if you are just watching this video for the first time, guys, please don't forget to like, share, and follow for more video. So let's eat as we dey gist. I don't know, say as I dey eat, I mute my. I don't know what just happened, but I notice say after I don't do video finish, I don't see voice again for my video. So I be dey talk for the video, but after I don't do video finish, I not call the see voice, I not hear voice. I just okay, no problem. As far as say video day, okay, no wahala. Make we